வெயில் தமிழ்ல ஷூட்ல நீங்க ஒரு செஷன் எடுத்தது எனக்கு ரொம்ப டச்சிங். அதுக்கு தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச். Not bothered about the heat, not bothered about the violence of LDF. இடதுசாரி violence வலதுசாரி UDF corruption victim ஆய் போய் இருக்கக்கூடியவா BJP supporters. Manasalaguda. You are the victim of the violence of left-wing politics and the corruption of UDF. For you, your daily life is under risk. You're living your daily life under risk. I'm saying this in free India, in democratic India, in an India where elections happen, where people choose their leaders. And every time, self-appointed leaders, liberal leaders, some self-appointed, some people in media who speak for and take the sides of the left ideology, all speak to us, speak to Prime Minister Modi, saying federalism is under threat. Right-wing extremism is oppressing all of us. Not true. Not today, not just 5 years ago, not 10 years ago. Since the time this imported ideology of communism has come into India, come into Kerala, people of Kerala trusted them. They trusted them, saying, under our constitution, if you are going to get elected and you will be in the parliament, you will take care of all people. No. They cut off the legs of people who dare to challenge them on ideology. They remove you from the list of benefits which are given by the central government. They threaten you, saying if you are with RSS or BJP, you will not get anything from the government. They don't allow you to speak. Even women are threatened. Even if you say namaskar to them, see what happens. That is the imported ideology. It comes with violence. Violence like this. Violence which threatens all of us. You vote for BJP, you will not be given water in your village. You vote for BJP, you will not be allowed to even open a little business in your village. Your survival itself is at stake. We are seeing exactly the same thing in Bengal. Communist and removing communist, the force which came after that copied the communist. And violence is the only mantra. You can't support me, I'll ensure you support me by denying you your rights. If I don't like you, I will eliminate you. Now here they give you a feeling that they are fighting against each other and seeking your vote. Whereas the fraud that they are committing on all of us, fraud, total fraud. People in Kerala believe that the Congress is fighting the Vampati, the left wing, the Edusari. But in Bengal they are fighting together. Somebody else, they are fighting the BJP there. Their message is, you do corruption, I'll tolerate. I do corruption, you tolerate. Suppose BJP comes here, both of us cannot do any corruption. So don't allow BJP to come. That is the politics they are playing here. They have no respect for human lives. They don't care for women. And that is why, if in left wing, they couldn't send even one member of parliament to the Rajya Sabha. Nartika is a Mahila Congress head. They couldn't give her ticket. What did she do? Because she couldn't take the shade, she went and removed the hair. They don't care. Congress doesn't care. Insult women. Every bit of politics that they do is aimed at three things: corruption, violence, or appeasement of minorities. Because of that, vote comes in what in Tamil we say Sakupai. It comes in bundles. What do you say for Sakupai? The koli, the bag, the cake. What comes in charger? Bundles after bundles. Mota. So for them, no problem. I'll get 10 mota in this district, 30 mota in that district. Chapter mota, vote appeasement politics. That is the politics of violence which left wing spreads in Kerala, spread in West Bengal. Their full attention is not on governance. It is only on eliminating the opponents. All of you are suffering in one or the other way. Martyr Bhumi, this movie is. I was told 28 people have sacrificed their lives in this ideological warfare which left perpetrates. This is a very sacred movie for us. And therefore appeal to you. I appeal to each one of you. You must speak to everybody. What Narendra Modi ji has done for Kerala in the last 5 years, now 6th and 7th year, no UDF government being a part of the union government could do it. Congress party was hand in glove with the leftists. They have alliance here, they contest here, but they will, in Delhi they will be friends when they have the UPA government. But even being in Delhi, they don't get anything for Kerala. Projects are waiting for God knows how long. Employment is not generated. Economy suffers because of corruption under UPA. Corruption of the Congress under the UPA. And that corruption is to keep up one family. For that one family's sake, corruption shamelessly happens. At that time, left doesn't speak in Kerala. Congress and communists do only this. But they could not give the rights to the women in the minority even after appeasement. That only Prime Minister Modi can do. That is why even in minority community, today women belonging to minority community understand. They understand the politics and the way in which Chaka-Muta vote politics of appeasement has taken them for granted. They were suffering under Triple Talaq, but Congress did not care. Left wing doesn't care. So Chaka-Muta politics, they can keep going, their women will suffer. Whereas in 50 Muslim countries, they gave them Triple Talaq, relief from Triple Talaq. That is why they don't allow us to campaign. In Tamil Nadu, BJP candidate is prohibited from entering certain areas where minorities live by some misguided elements. I am not saying that everybody in minority do this. Like that, because if you go in, you say the truth, their women will understand. Like this, there are a lot of things I can speak. But because you have really suffered walking in that procession in this heat. I don't have a heart to take more of your time. I will do namaskar. I'll bend my head in respect. You are all suffering and putting up with a lot of violence. 28 people have sacrificed their life in this constituency for the violence, and you have an exemplary person who, after that kind of a violence, has stood up to serve this country. Sadananda Master is that example. You cannot get a better candidate. If you want to send a message to the left wing and to the Congress, you both are, in Telugu and Tamil there are expressions. Arimadi or even Arajakam, they are both friends. Corruption Arimadi Arajakathil Assembly one question in violence against. One question in corruption against. Congress party says they are contesting the LDF. Number the variable. Why? Total lies. So, I appeal to you. Vote because this is a very symbolic candidate. This symbolic candidate is your answer to the violence, your answer to the corruption.